Okay guys, I'm going to go back to market.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. And if this is your first time here, I am the big fella Scruff. That happens to be Winky's toy boy. Because yes, I am younger than the Wink.
Not much.
Not much,
Nope.
but young enough to wear her out. Say.
You dirty old man.
Do I wear the charts out? She wears me out, I tell you. Jesus
do know.
Christ. You know, I'm not your sexual plaything, you know. Well, I am actually.
Oh, that's disgusting.
We get wrong for talking like that when the kids are around, you know. If we ever go out, it's not us telling the kids off, it's the kids telling us off. Will you stop it? You're embarrassing us. Age.
Doesn't stop you though, does it?
Nah,
It's still as bad.
Didn't care.
You get worse, really.
didn't care. Life is for living. So let's just enjoy it. And I do hope you enjoy these videos. I genuinely do. Because everything's in the moment. Nothing's scripted. It's just us at our job and showing you what we do. Now, for Popeye out there who keeps disliking the videos within the first 15 seconds, knock yourself out, son. Go on, crack on. Get as many in as you can. Because quite frankly, I'm fed up with it and I just couldn't give a shit. You know, well, I can't. I'm fed up with it, you know. Every time you try and help somebody, you just get it kicked in the balls and then you wonder why sometimes I'm just quite awkward.
Because I have balls, and you don't.
But, fuck it, I didn't care. Right, let's have a look at these charts. Let's have a little look. Oh, dear. Almost got me on a rant there, you know. Really did. I'll never understand YouTube. Don't get me wrong. I know the world's full of freeloaders and arseholes. And they'll never change. You know, there'll always be a freeloader and there'll always be an arsehole. But what's the difference? Well, the difference is I get paid every week and they don't, so fuck off. Right.
Jump out the closet, chop your little head off.
It's that simple. No, if they're going to like kick it in, I might as well kick it back. Do you not think?
Well, why not then?
Well, you've seen the shit I have to put up with. You know, and what they say to you is absolutely disgusting. But that's the world over. I'll tell you what, fella. You know where my address is because it's on here. Come knock on my front door and say it. See how long you last. Right. Anyway, let's have a look at this, shall we? Let's have a little look. I'm doing this for Dusty. And why? Because Dusty's a solid. He's a top guy. You know, still doesn't figure out who Ted Rogers is. I'll show you, Dusty. This is Ted Rogers. See, he's a bit younger, and Dusty Bin to me is a little bit different to I think what Dusty Bin is to him. Well, what? What's the matter with you now?
Why Dusty Bin's something you used to watch on telly, and his is actually a Dusty Bin.
Yeah, no, but it's 3, 2, 1, eh? Yeah. No? Alright.
Go on, do it again. I missed it.
Well, that's what he used to do, wasn't it? He used to go like that.
It'll be quicker.
Well, you've done it longer than I did. I've only just started practice. Right. What am I looking at here, Dust? And what the hell have you got me into? I shouldn't, but I did, and I will. We're having a bit of a chat. It was in here somewhere. Indices, having a sing. So there he is. Handsome devil he is. Oh, no, that's the dog. He was trading the US 30, the Dow. And I said I'll have a look at it a bit later. Can't remember where it was at. Talking houses as well, funny enough. It was in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's what he was looking at. And I said I would look at it after the news because it's a tough market and I didn't want to go at it straight away. Okay, and that's a great community. But what we're looking at, well, there's the new spike coming down, and there's a little bit of a retracement. So a bit like earlier on, I might have missed the sudden move already. Right, there it is there. So let's find some entry exits. We can see the surges, down, in, down. It found a bottom. So it could easily come back to find something in this move here. Now this is assuming it doesn't break. If it breaks, well, then I've got a bit of a problem I need to work out. But it's screaming up, hit the 23, come back. Now that's showing as nice key points to work to. All right. Is it enough at this moment in time? Might need to dig into this a bit more. Let's have a look. The actual pressure of this is seriously down. And it's pushing here. Now, if this is going to go for it, it's going to go for that. All right. All right. All right. And it's coming off this as well. Excuse me. We went to the pub. We shouldn't have gone to the pub, but we went to the pub and we've had lunch and now I'm feeling it. But I do have my coffee and it's in my Scruffy mug. See that? See that? My Scruffy mug. If you want one, there's a merch shelf below. Get yourself knocked out, get a t-shirt, make her work, because that's what she does. I actually want to do any work today. You've done feck all today.
I haven't.
What have you done today?
I've done all sorts.
Like what? You dragged me out to go look for a house that I didn't want to buy in the first place, but you said I had to go.
It was your idea.
No, the one in Sunny. I'm not. You said you wanted a house. I'm doing my best to find you one. Right? You knocked off out. You come back. Then we went for lunch. So, what have you actually done today?
I've done all sorts.
Oh, of course you have. Right. So, we had a cracker the other day. She had a proper kick-off. It was hilarious. I hadn't even sat down and she was taking the biscuits off me and everything. She's right, Cap. Right. So this is pushing down. 4 hour. Pushing down. But we've got retracements. Now what I'm interested in is now it's starting to curl around. If you look at this, it didn't quite push down strong enough. Showing a bit of pressure here. Let me highlight something. So that is actually upward. So there could be a short-term retracement in this. All right. Push this back down to the hourly because this is where I want to pay attention to. All right. It's not showing me a great deal. Now, if I put on sort of a basic Bollinger Band so I can have a look at it, we can see it screamed on the outside. It's aggressively moved up, fell off, and then it's come back. Now, normally if it's been on one side, it'll get to the other. So that highlights that area. Let me step this up a second. It's doing the same here. That, I think, could be, looking at it, could be a good target to actually counter trend this for a short-term move. Now, the issue is it's gone up, it's come down, it hasn't hit the bottom here. All right. So, I either want to be entering up here, above this moving average, or down here. Let's have a look at the makeup of this. Switch them indicators off because they're a waste of time this far down the chart. All right, so the makeup of that last 5 minute candle is this. What I'm doing here is, I don't like a minute chart, I genuinely don't. But what they're really good for is if you can't sort of see what's happening in the candles, drill it in to see how the candle was made up. Well, there's a hell of a lot of green here that are strong. You know, strong drive, short term push down. Strong drive, short push down. Strong drive, small body. Strong drive, push down. But the buyers keep coming back. But now it's sell, 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 sell. Now, I don't like trend lines either, but again, we can have a look to see what's going on. It's busted through that, so that could well be coming back on itself. And this is all about reading charts, guys. You can look at as many indicators as you like, but the price is what's going to tell you what's going on. Okay. It's flooring out here. Let's fill. I do think there's an opportunity to get back up here. Now let me go this back over. Strong. All right. So I'm going to tighten the range up. Start it up there. Down as low as here. These are going to be my entry exits. That one. And I'm going to work into these up to that 50. Okay. So I can get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. So from this 0 up to this point here, entry opportunities, exit opportunities. All right. Now if it pushes through, where's it going? Extension. I'll just put it on and then pull it back up again. Right. Because I want to get to the top of here. Put that onto there. Push that up onto there. What am I doing here? This is a sustained move that it seems to be pushing through. If it breaks through, I want to know how far it's coming down. Well, the 127 is always a good pointer. And then the next one is the 161. They are keen bounce points. Areas of attraction. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Right, I've got a full set of arenas here. Let's pull him back in. Are we good enough to go to market? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, about here is half decent. So we're going to tip our toe in the water a little bit. Just a tad. Just a bit above about where it is now. Kaboom. Now, because of the margins on this product, I don't want to go crazy. But I also don't want to go crazy because of the speed of movement of it. So I'm going to edge that down slightly. And we're going to look, well, where we're in. We're going to look to exit up here. Now that's a half decent move. Because I don't want to give away the profits that I've made. Because this is what I've been doing today. As you can see, rolling, and you'll see that's the only thing that I've got. It's starting to spike up. So let's see if we can get our money, and then the job will be done, he says. You happy with that?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep, very.
Very. Right, okay. Right, we'll let this run. Get it to there. Boom. And we'll see how we get on. All right, well, there it is. It's gone straight to the pip of that. So I'm quite happy with that. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Bit more. Go on. Ugh, bloody hell. Come on, up you go. Pushy, pushy, pushy. All right. I'll just leave the camera running, guys. Oh, hold on. Because I want to get this to about 200 quid if I can. Oh, hold on. I'll just move that out over here so you can see it. There we go. Bang. 234 quid. While we talk. Are you happy with that? See, we had a bit of a domestic. Well, we didn't have a domestic. We just had a bit of a chat, and like a scruffy chat with a winky obstinance, and made some money. Right? And now we got nothing running, no orders, and that's put another 234 quid in the bank in 7 minutes.
Very good.
How much have you made in 7 minutes? That'll be fuck all. I've got to live with her. Well, more to the point, she's got to live with me. But I'm quite happy with that. I'll live with that. I'm done with this for the day. Just so you can recap. There you go there. Happy with that. That was for you, Dust. And I did it simply because we were talking about it and I should always back up what I say. Could I go back into market? Yes, of course I can. But am I going to tempt fate? God, no. Not on your Nelly am I going to tempt fate. If I've been paid, that's it. Walk away, you know. Unless, of course, you Winky, she just walks away straight into the next shop and then bankrupts me.
I haven't been shopping for ages.
You lying cow.
When was the last time I went shopping?
Yesterday.
I didn't.
You was buying on there yesterday.
There were your market pens.
And everything else.
I didn't get anything else.
Yeah, you lie. She's a buggy, you know. I mean, beforehand, I mean, when she used to have a sort of fetish for Next, that Next van was at our house more than they were at the bloody shop's house. Correct?
You don't else when you exaggerate.
What was the running joke in our house?
Nothing.
Go on. No, you like this one. What was the running joke in our house?
The bill was more than the mortgage.
Yeah, your next bill every month was bigger than the mortgage. What a cow.
You're taller than I imagined.
I'm bigger in every department.
And you wonder why I'm going bald and I bloody look like I'm ready for death's door. It's her. She's working me into the ground. What have you got to say for yourself?
Keeps you on your toes.
Yeah, well, can we keep you in a bikini? Go on, get yourself a bikini. I'll get Sally out. Do you want Sally out?
No, she's creepy.
You're going to put your bikini on there. It's worth a shot, boys and girls. It's worth a shot. Anyway, very quick one for you, Dust. And if you like what you see, do subscribe. It's always in the moment. Do like. It encourages me to do more. And as always, trade well. Keep your risk managed. But above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one.